Today I am unboxing and trying out this set of high quality magnetic spice racks. Inside of the box you'll receive all 4 magnetic racks, 2 larger racks and 2 slightly smaller racks, each with a large high quality and strong magnet on the back side. And here's how they look on my fridge, holding a large variety of spices with all sorts of different sized bottles very sturdily.